Hello, my people. It's been a while. Welcome back to Sheillah's kitchen. Today we're making nice and softy mandazi. As you can see them, walk through with me. I hope you will enjoy. So we will use self-raising flour. We sieve 2 cups. After sieving the flour, we will add a 1/3 cup of, I used margarine, you can use butter, and 1 egg. Then we'll mix this all together. We mix everything until it becomes like crumpy. Just mix nicely. Then the mixture will be like that. Then we will start making our dough. We're using milk. We add milk gradually. Sorry guys, my camera didn't capture when I was putting some sugar, so I used a 1/4 cup of sugar. So we will make our dough. We just little we add milk little by little until our dough is ready, and we will cover it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, come back. Our dough has doubled in size and it's very soft. As you can see, now we will knead it again for like 2 minutes. As you can see, then we will roll it. We'll roll. You don't make it too much thick or too much thin, just medium size, the thickness. Then we will cut our mandazi into our desired shape. I decided to cut in this shape. As we cut them, make sure we heat our oil. So once we finish cutting them, our oil is already heating. Then make sure we cook our mandazi on low medium heat so that they cook slowly until inside. So we'll start frying our mandazi. We'll fry them on both sides until they're golden brown. Just fry them until you get that nice golden brown color. As you can see, our mandazi are coming out so well. You fry until you finish all of them. And our mandazi are ready. As you can see, they are very soft. They have cooked from inside and they're not oily. Very nice. Please guys, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe, share and comment. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Our mandazi looks very nice. You can serve with a drink of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you.